Today I want to show you how to put games, ISOs and CSOs onto your hacked PSP 1000. That's all I know how to do. I don't know how to do 2000, 3000 or Go yet. I will learn. So first things first, here's what you're going to want to do. You want to go ahead and put your PSP into USB mode. So once you do that, and after you have your game downloaded, and I have Army of 2 for the day right here. I don't know if I have enough room on my PSP, but I'm gonna unrar it, or unrar X, or WinRAR it for Windows users. So I'm just gonna go to my unrar, click desktop. This is for Mac users, and I'm going to wait and wait and wait. In the meantime, I'm going to download my other file really quickly. And I use PSP ISOZ, PSPISOs.com for all my PSP needs. I highly recommend to get any of your ISOs/CSOs from there. So I'm just going to download my second part of my file. There we go. Oh, I'm going to wait. So anyway, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to your PSP. It should look like that on a Mac. You can open that, drag and drop your game into your ISO folder, and wait up a little bit. See, I already have 2 in there, Bejeweled and Angry Birds. Actually, I am going to go to view here, clean up selection. There we go, because I don't like dirty folders. It looks nasty. And after that, here's what you do. For Mac users, you're going to eject that, go back to your PSP, disconnect from USB mode, go to your games, memory stick, Bejeweled 2, and there you guys go. Get a pretty little look at that. This game saves automatically. It'll pop up with that. And Bejeweled 2. Here we go. So this is pretty much it to do for your ISOs and CSOs. This is Deadly Dragon 218. For more videos, please rate, comment, subscribe. I will be making more videos and demos if you wish. Just leave a comment in the description.